Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got this tasks UI. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. As part of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge, today is day 6 and we are going to see how to create a cron job task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. The Nautilus system admins team has prepared scripts to automate several day-to-day tasks. They want them to be deployed on all app servers in Status DC and a set schedule. Before that, they need to test similar functionality with a sample cron job. Therefore, perform the steps below. Install Cron package on all Nautilus app servers and start cron service. Add a cron */5 *** echo hello, and it should be redirected to /tmp/cron_text for root user. So here our task is to install Cron package on all app servers. So we have 3 app servers in Nautilus app servers. We need to install Cron package and then start the cron service. And also we need to set a cron for every 5 minutes. This hello should be printed into /tmp/cron_text file, right? So first let me log into all of the app servers. To get app server login details, we need to click on this details of all users and servers button here on top right. Tony is the username, stapp01 is the server name of app server 1. Let me copy the password. SSH and then the username @app server name. Hit enter, type yes, and then paste the password that we copied. Yes, now we have logged in successfully. In the same way, let me click on this plus button and again, so that we will get the another terminal. So here in this second terminal, we will log into the second app server. Steve is the username and stapp02 is the server name, and type yes, and then let me get the password, paste it here, enter. Now we are logged in. In same way in the terminal 3, let me log into app server 3. Banner is the username and stapp03 is the server name. Type yes. And let me get the password, copy, paste it here, enter. Yes, now we log in. Now our job is to install Cron package on all app servers. Before installing that Cron package, we need to know about our OS. Depends upon our Linux distribution. Commands will be changed. So cat/etc/os release. Enter. See, it is CentOS, and let me check in all these app servers. OS-release. So CentOS distribution of Linux, and here also same. Let me OS-release. Yeah, CentOS. Now in CentOS, to install any package, we need to use sudo yum install Cron-y, and then we need to give the password of Tony user. Enter. It is going to be installed. Meanwhile, let me go to another server, and here also let me do the same thing. Sudo yum install Cron-y. The reason why I am giving -y is to automatically give the approval. Otherwise, if we did not give -y there, it will wait for us to type yes manually. So I will show you in app server 3, right? So it is installing, let it be. Meanwhile, here let me do the sudo yum install crony. I'm not giving -y here. I will show you what it will happen without -y. Copy, then paste it here, enter. See, it is waiting, right? Here we need to type y, then only it will move with the next steps. But here in the terminal 2, it is completed. It did not waited for us because at the beginning we have mentioned -y. So that is the reason it has completed automatically. Same here in app server 1 too. Now we have installed Crony package, and now we need to start the cron services. Before starting service, let me see the status of it. Sudo systemctl status cron. See, it is enabled but not started, right? It is in inactive state. If you observe it here, it is in inactive state. We need to start it. So for that, we need to use the sudo systemctl start cron. See, if I check the status now, it is in running active state. Same way we need to do it in app server 2 as well. Sudo systemctl restart or start, anything is fine. Cron sudo systemctl status cron. See, it is in active state. Sudo systemctl restart cron. Sudo systemctl status cron. Right now we have installed Crony package and then restarted the cron service. Now we need to add cron job. This is the cron job, and if you wanted to check is there any cron jobs are running for this banner user or any of the users, then we need to use this command sudo cron tab. If you wanted to check for any of the particular user, -u and then -l. See, no cron tab for root because we mentioned -u. If we did not mention -u root here, then it will check for the, right, we mentioned sudo, right? That is the reason it is going for the sudo user. Let me do cron tab -l. See, now cron tab for the banner user. By default it is, we logged in as a banner user, so it will check any cron tabs available for this banner user, right? So now our job is to add a cron for the root user. For that we need to use sudo cron tab -e, and here terminal will be opened. Just copy it, paste it here. So this, what this is going to do is that for every 5 minutes this hello will be printed to tmp/cron_text file. Okay, escape:x, enter. So now if I do the cron tab -l, banner user, no cron tabs. But if I do the same for sudo user, I mean root user, see, we can able to see one cron tab, right? Let me do the same for in other app servers as well. Sudo cron tab -e. If in case you wanted to add cron jobs for Steve user itself, then you just need to remove sudo and type cron tab -e, then give the whatever the command that you wanted to give, right? So this is how we will schedule jobs in Linux. And then let me do the same here as well. Sudo cron tab -e, and then paste it, escape:x, enter. Now let me try to go to sudo/tmp ls-l. See, till now we can't able to find cron underscore text file, because 5 minutes not yet completed, right? So we need to wait for 5 minutes, then we can able to see that here cron underscore text file, right? Meanwhile, let me go here and see in other app servers as well. ls-l. See here also we can't able to find anything. cd/tmp ls-l. See here we can able to find, because we started here earlier, right? So that is the reason. Cat cron underscore txt. See, it was done. We can able to see hello. If we wait for 5 more minutes, we can able to see another hello. Here not yet created in the app server 2. Just need to wait for 5 more minutes. It is created now. See, it was created. So as we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.